Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your landing page more attractive. First, focus on creating an immediate visual impact. Your landing page has only a few seconds to grab a visitor's attention, so a clean, professional design is crucial. We will explore how to use compelling visuals and clear messaging to engage your audience from the very first glance. This approach ensures your page stands out and encourages further interaction. To truly make your landing page shine, prioritize compelling visuals and a thoughtful layout. High-resolution images or a short, engaging video can increase conversions by over 80%. A clean, uncluttered design with plenty of white space helps guide the visitor's eye, preventing overwhelm. Remember to maintain consistent branding, using your logo and a cohesive color palette to build trust and recognition. Next, craft engaging and concise content that speaks directly to your audience. Your headline should be a powerful, benefit-driven statement, capturing attention within 3 seconds. Use bullet points to clearly articulate key features and benefits, making information easily digestible. Address your visitors' pain points and present your solution clearly, demonstrating immediate value. Aim for clarity and impact in every word. Finally, optimize your call to action and overall user experience. Your call to action button should be prominent, using contrasting colors and clear action-oriented text like "Get started" or "Download now." Page load speed is critical. Aim for under 3 seconds to prevent visitors from leaving. Ensure your landing page is fully responsive and optimized for mobile devices, as over 50% of web traffic comes from smartphones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.